All right, I'll get straight to the point. I found marijuana in the house. And while I never thought of myself as the type of father who'd have to drug test his kids, I'm willing to do just that if that's what it takes to find out who brought a joint into this house.
Dad, Lucy found something too.
Dad, I found a joint in Mom's dresser drawer.
Spark the blunt, keep in mind that this time we spending on the line. We about to lose our lives. Ego-wise, I reside in the deep parts of the hide. Dr. Trip is your demise, but Dr. Trip revives the little simple beauty of this life. The fact we can even open up our eyes, or the fact we haven't died. Yeah, we die, you and I. You will rot, dirt ignites. Yeah, we die, you will die, I will die, we will die. Yeah, we die, love. Oh, well, baby girl, what do you wish me to do when day my body is due in the dirt? Oh, yeah, we die, love. Oh, well, baby girl, what do you wish me to do when day my body is due in the dirt? Oh, yeah, we speaking through our vibes, right? Well, you should feel my light died. I'm toxic like white lies died. Like my high might right by my grave. See my face in the mirror, but it's like gray. White noise, but my mind straight. Some blood, but no sight. White my mind make me not recognize myself. All I see is a demonic hell. Dark shit in my head, I need my ego dead. Yeah.